Now, I'm not saying that this guy is a step stool, but I'm over 200 pounds and I wanted to show you just about how durable this guy is. You can throw it, you can smack it, you can use it. Now, I'm not saying you want to use it or abuse it, but what I'm saying is that when you take it camping, things happen. It falls off the table, it falls down a mountain, it falls wherever you're taking it. It needs to be trusty, it needs to be durable, and it needs to pop back to life every time. So right here, this is a 5-gallon water bucket. Now that's the first thing that I want you to know about, is it's 5-gallon water bucket. This is for water storage, but wait, there's more. On top of it being just a water storage, a 5-gallon water storage, you got so much more. You got a shower head right here with a shower nozzle, and then you have a power switch right here on and off. Now, this can be actually integrated into this if you want it to be, so they can go together just like that, or you can have it separate. However you want to do it is great. Now, I kind of like to have it integrated personally, but it does give you that option. So you get a press and hold just like that, and it's on. You got that blue light. Now the water pump is working, and you got that shower. Look at that pressure. Isn't that awesome? That pressure is going to give you almost like you're in a real campground with the campground pressure right there. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be home, but we've all been there where we've taken campground shower pressures. You got to put like a quarter in and you get no pressure. This is going to do that or better. The other thing you get is a pouch where all these compartments are stored, and inside of here you get a bag with a couple extra washers in case you need to down the road. You also get this cap, so when you're not using the shower and you just want the water, you can just take this off and store it like that. To access the water feature, you get this big tank right here. That's your water right there, and then your pump goes on this end. It actually, on the other side, flipping it around, it has a place where you can actually secure that on the backside of a truck or backside of a Jeep or anything like that. You can hook that in so it's not going anywhere. Now, let me show you guys this really quick. Now, filling up this is super easy. You just take it out. It has a gasket right here so that you don't have to worry about water leaking out or getting any spillage like that. Then you see right here, it has kind of like a breathable area so that when you are using the shower, it vents right here so that it doesn't kind of collapse and create a vacuum on you. That's really important. You don't want to get one that doesn't have an air vent so that it doesn't create a vacuum. When you're sucking the water, you want to have some air coming in as well. Plus, you get 2 of these chargers. Now, to hook the charger up, it's super simple. You just kind of plug in right there. You plug it in, and then to create a watertight seal, you make sure that once it's plugged in, that you twist it until you get that watertight seal. And again, this can hook onto the hose. You press and hold down that to get started. Now, the only thing that I will say that I'm amiss on is that this cord, while this side is USB, this side is not USB-C. I would have liked to seen this been USB-C because why? All my other cables are. So now I got to make sure that I keep this, don't lose it, or have my kids or my wife wander off with this. And what's this cord to? So in the bag it goes, and it says battery storage. I keep that there at all times so that I know where it is and I don't lose that right there where it says battery storage, and then I'll keep my other one right next to it. That's the best I can do, because if I lose that cord, then I just have a 5-gallon container with no shower option, which is fine. And this is really simple, which is really how we fill up this water. This 5-gallon thing right here is just filling this up like that. All right, now once you get water in it, all you gotta do to turn it on is press and hold. Now, if you come up here, this is kind of leave it right here, but if you stick it in and you use it like this, you turn it on, stick it in, and you're gonna get that flow rate right there. Now, the flow rate on here is about 1.1, 1.2 gallons per minute. So you can see that's flowing really well, and you have yourself like a nice shower. Now, it's not gonna replace your home shower, it's not a residential shower, but it is just as good, if not better, than some of those campground showers that you got. The only problem with it is that your water temperature is going to be whatever you fill this up with. So you fill up with warm water, you're going to have a warm shower. You let the sun bake it, you're going to have a sun-baked shower. You want a cold shower? Not a problem. You got one of those, right? So the temperature is whatever you decide to fill that up with, which is fine. Just know that going in. All right, now honestly, at the campground, we use this for more than just a shower. Me and my kids, we have a few dogs between us, and so we use this as easy dog cleaning station. But more often than not, we're grabbing this to do some cleaning. Sometimes these stairs right here get really bad, and so we'll just come on here and kind of wash these stairs off and get all the dirt and grime and sand off of these guys right here. We'll use this to wash dishes outside when we're camping. If we're boondocking and we don't want to store the gray water, whatever, this is perfect case for doing outside dishes, outside dog washing, or just tidying up around the campground for sure. So who is this 5-gallon water bucket shower / everything combo for? I think this makes the most sense for tent campers, RV owners, boondockers, beachgoers, hunters, pet owners like me, or anybody who wants access to running water without necessarily needing to be hooked up to full hookups right here. For me though, the best benefit by far is that this portable shower, and it's really easy to turn on. I can use this, like I said, to wash your feet from the beach, clean up the RV, do the dishes. It really makes it easy, makes it extremely practical for our situation here, living in a full-time RV. And like what I showed you, based on the solid construction, the included accessories, the water flow, that's amazing. I really love the water flow of this guy right here. I'm definitely seeing where I could keep this in the back of the truck, in the storage compartment of the RV, or wherever I take it traveling or camping.